Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Fit and Fine, the complete fitness. Fit आणि हेल्दी लोकांना माझा नमस्कार. So today we'll discuss the benefits of half moon pose that we called as the Ardha Chandrasana. Ardha Chandrasana challenges the body, balance and mind. For many students, half moon pose is pinnacle pose that once you understood, it lays the foundation for more advanced asanas. When I began my practice, this was the pose that truly challenged me. It took some months, if not years, to get Ardha Chandrasana in my body. That and beside how good it feels in my legs and back is why it is one of my favorite pose. Half moon remind me the dedication, surrender, falling and laughter are all equally important aspects of the practice of this pose. The physical benefits are it will strengthen ankle, knees and legs. Roots of thigh bones to help alleviate back pain. Strengthen our abdomen and spine. It will open our chest and shoulders. Some collateral benefits are there. It will improve the digestion. It reduces stress, anxiety and depression. It improves the balance and coordination between body parts. It will also relieve the stresses. So these are the basic benefits. In case of repetition, this asana you will have to perform daily with 3 sets, at least 1 to 2 minutes of hold on every leg. Warrior 3 pose. This we called as a balancing on one foot pose. Basically, this pose helps to maintain the coordination amongst the body. Here are the few points that we are going to discuss to make these steps. Your foot should be pushed through the heels. Then from ankle to knee, hip and shoulder, one straight line will have to maintain. Toes should always pointing down. Rotate thighs inward and lift up at the same time. Tuck the navel in and out. Gaze fixed at one point and hand should be parallel to the floor. All the weight coming on a foot eventually distributed on inner and outer foot for maintaining the balance. Here are the few benefits of this pose. It will activate lower body muscle. In this asana, weight can be maintained on one leg, providing it the endurance. It works out the whole lower body and activate the muscle that strengthen the ankle, legs and whole lower body. Second, reduce body fat. The intensity of warrior pose 3 is so high that it generates heat in the body. Thus, the pose is preferred for burning extra fat. It leaves the body fit and toned. It will improve the focus. This asana enhances the focus and concentration of the practitioner. It creates mindfulness and allows us to focus on the present, clearing the mind. Betters the heart health. The asana is intense enough to increase the rate of oxygen consumption. It enhances cardiovascular endurance. Experimental studies the effect of 12 weeks of this asana create better heart health. It improves heart rate. It will sharpen the memory. Warrior pose 3 is all about the focusing and concentration. With its regular practice, the memory revitalize and become a sharp. Thus, by enhancing the concentration power, it bring benefit to the memory self. Thank you.